Hi everybody, welcome to Crafty Aims Workshop, and today I've got another diamond painting I'm going to show you. I have opened it a little bit already. This is from Wish, and I'm just going to say it now, I'm kind of disappointed in it, but I just wanted to show you not all your diamond paintings are perfect. So this one, I just already took this out of the package. It's been sitting here waiting for me to video. This one is a night scene that looks like it's from like the Harry Potter movie. But let me look at, I want to show you the canvas. It's kind of like a nylon or a polyester type canvas. This one is a 30 by 40, but I believe that's the whole entire canvas. Let me measure. This is 34 and a half by 25. So this is actually 34 and a half by 25. So really their 30 by 40 is the canvas itself. Yeah, actually it's a little bit shorter, honestly. So let me show you what the picture looks like before you put drills on it. Yeah, I don't know. This is probably going to be a waste of my time. I don't know if I'm even going to do this one. If you can see, anyways, it's all folded up and mushed up together. I mean, I'm going to try, I think what I'm going to try first is just ironing it out and see if that will help. But really, the picture itself, I'm not even sure. It don't look like much. It's supposed to be a picture of the night sky with the castle in the back and some boats going towards it. And when I look at this, I mean, it might, I don't know, we'll see. But it's all mainly one color except for the real light colors, if you guys can see that. So I don't know. I may just try it and see what it looks like. I don't know. But if you can see all of the folding of the double-sided tape, so I don't know if that's going to work out. I'm going to iron it. I'm going to try the razor method and just lightly kind of get that out and see if that'll work. Otherwise, this may be something I need to throw in the trash can. So that's disappointing. Now let's look at the drills. So as you can see, drills have fallen out. There's even some in the bag. I don't know if you can see that. They've just went all over the place. As you can see, I mean, there's a bag open somewhere in here. So that just kind of upsets me. So here's the drills. I don't know if that's what the picture was supposed to be, like Harry Potter. I have no idea. This just makes me think of Harry Potter. There is a lot of 939. And it'll be just, I have a feeling I'm just going to be plain disappointed, but you know what? We'll give it a go. We will give it a go. And then here's the other colors. The drills themselves look pretty good. I mean, I'm not seeing anything. We got some extra baggies. So yeah, the drills look good. Other than just that bag, one of the bags, I haven't figured out which one yet. Popped open. It has to be one of these. Right here. Found it. That one's, when they cut it too close to the opening. So I'll have to fix that. But let me give you a close-up. So we will see. I don't know. This is the first one that I've been disappointed in, honestly. Out of all of the diamond paintings I've gotten from other different companies, even Wish himself, I haven't been disappointed horribly. I mean, there's a couple that were not great, but this is really bad because the drills just are all over the place. But, and then the canvas is really bad, so we will see. Maybe I'll make a video of me trying to fix it. I don't know. So there's that. That is from wish.com. And yeah, I don't know if I'm going to order from Wish any more diamond paintings. I just don't think it's worth it. Even though they're cheap, they're, you know, you get what you pay for. So, and then here's the wax and the little tray and then the little pin. So here is the inventory sheet, and let me see if I can get, this is the picture that it's supposed to be, and I'm just not seeing that, but we'll see. I'll give it a go. That's all I can do. Alright, so that's a disappointment, but that's pretty good. Out of all of the diamond paintings that I've gotten, I've had one very bad one and two questionable ones. So I hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave it in the comment section down below. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. You guys have a great day. Keep on crafting.